My name is Mehak Madhva. I am working Lexis and Company. Today my topic is separation of powers. What do you understand by separation of powers? Separation of powers means that where the powers are being divided into different kinds of branches. The Constitution, which is considered as the apex part of it consisted of a legal document through which all the procedure are being laid down. The first amendment, the Constitution was amendment in 1926 January 1950. So as we all know that working of one power does not able to make everything right. So the Constitution has made certain kinds of separated the powers between different kinds of department, so that it becomes very easy for the work to be done. The first is the legislature. By legislature we can mean a law-making body. A legislature is the one who makes laws, rules and regulation for the betterment of the people and also the society. It also brings upbringment in the society as well. The laws which are being made are for the equality, and all are equal before the law. There shall be no difference between the class of group, race or sex. So the legislature who has made laws are equal for all of them, whether a rich or a poor. For example, if a rich commits any kind of offence, then the same punishment will be imposed as for the poor also. So the legislature will be the legislature who has made all the rules and regulation for the people. According to them, the punishment will be imposed on the offence which is being committed by any kind or a group of classes. The second is the executive. Executive what we means it's the execution of laws which are being made by the legislature. So executive has the duty to execute all the laws which are being made by the legislature in a proper manner, so that it can be reaches all over the society and the people. The laws which are being executed should be in the written form, so that it becomes easy for the people to see it. Execution is the main part of it. If a person, for example, if the legislature has made laws for the people, his duty has been ended, but now it is the duty of the executive to execute it, to implement it for the people and for the society as well. If the execution of laws are not being there, then the laws which are being made by the legislature are none of use. So execution of this is very necessary for the benefit of the people and the society. The third separation of power is the judiciary. As we all know, the judiciary is the apex part where all the legal disputes relating to any kind of offence is being considered. The judiciary, there are different kinds of judiciary are there. The first is the Supreme Court, the High Court, and other the subordinate court. Supreme Court is considered as the apex part of it, because if a person is not satisfied with any kind of court, then he has the right to approach it to the Supreme Court, and if he does not able to satisfy the decision of the Supreme Court, then the last part of it comes to the president. From president, there is no such kind of hierarchy is there. The decision which are being made by the Supreme Court is being obliged by everyone. No one is able to counter the decision of the Supreme Court, even though the Prime Minister or any kind of ministers are not have the right to object it, because the Supreme Court is the apex part of it. In the judiciary, as we all know that judiciary plays a very important role. Without judiciary, the offences which are being related to any kind of it cannot be able to handle. So judiciary is the apex part of it, where all the matters are being considered, and where the parties are able to bring their grievances in such a form so that it becomes very helpful for them to get justice. Judiciary also plays is the apex part and gives judgment to all kinds of the cases, whether it is any kind of offense. So we can say that the three powers which are being discussed below are very important. The first, that is the legislature, the second is the executive, the third is the judiciary. Without these powers of the government, they are not able to function, and hence the hierarchy of this is not able to perform well. Thank you.